Welcome to NuaTube. My name is Chan Kwasniak. Uh, I have a message that I want to send to our leader. This message is what we are expecting from this new selected leader in Gambella, Miss Alemitu and our Vice President Dr. Gatluak Ruon. This is what we expect from you. As the youth of Gambella, we have a high hope and clear expectation from you, from your leadership in our Gambella region. We believe that the incoming leader have a unique opportunities unlike the previous leadership. And this leader will address long-suffering or long-standing issues and bring a meaningful change to our community. Here are some of the key expectations that we are looking for from our government, this new government. Job creation and economic opportunities, that is number one. We are keenly aware of the limited job opportunities that are available to us, which has often led to a sense of stagnation and frustration. We expect new leadership to prioritize job creation by investing in local industries, supporting small businesses, and encouraging entrepreneurship. By fostering a vibrant economic environment, we believe that more opportunities will become available for young people to build successful career. Number two, education and skill development. Education is the cornerstone of personal and professional development. We urge the new leadership to invest in and improve our educational infrastructure. This includes modernizing the school, providing access to quality education, and offering a vocational training program that align with the current market needs. By equipping us with the skill required for today's job market, we will be better prepared to seize opportunities and contribute to the region growth. Number three, transparency and accountability. We have often felt sidelined overlooked in decision-making process in the previous government. We expect the new leader to demonstrate transparency and accountability in their governance. This means keeping us informed about how decisions are made, involving us in planning process, and being open to feedback. An accountable administration will build trust and ensure that our voice are being heard. Number four, youth involvement and empowerment in your government. Young people are the future of Gambella, and we seek to play an active role in shaping the future. We ask for new leadership to create platform and opportunities for youth involvement in political and community activities. By empowering us to take on leadership roles and participate in decision making, we can contribute our innovative ideas and change and energy to drive positive change. Number five, infrastructure development. Infrastructure development is critical for economic growth and quality of life. We expect the new leadership to focus on improving road, public transportation, and communication networks. Better infrastructure will not only enhance connectivity but also create job improvement access to essential service. Number six, health and social service. Our well-being is fundamental to our ability to thrive. We call for an increased investment in health service, mental health support, and social service. Ensuring that we have access to quality health care and support system will allow us to focus on our personal and professional goals without undue stress or hardship. Number seven, environmental sustainability. As we look toward the future, we must also consider the impact of our actions on the environment. We hope the new leadership will prioritize sustainable development, practice, and environmental conservation. Protecting our natural resources will ensure that Gambella remain a viable and vibrant place for future generations.